Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a pleasure for me and feel honored to be the part of this great gathering of APTA Catalyst Business Conference. This is supposed to be one of the most innovative event which is being organized in Hyderabad. Indian diaspora, more particularly Telugu diaspora. This is a saying in Telugu, ఢిల్లీకి రాజైన తల్లికి బిడ్డ అన్నట్టు. వీరు విదేశాల్లో గొప్ప వృత్తిలో వ్యాపారంలో ఉన్నప్పటికీ కూడా పుట్టిన గడ్డను కన్న తల్లిని మర్చిపోకుండా ఈ యొక్క రెండు తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలకు సేవలు చేయాలనేటువంటి ఆలోచన శుభపరిణామంగా భావిస్తూ the main theme behind this event is your connection, collaboration and creation. The world has become a small village. Kabatti ee internet connectivity edundo business and we too have lot of professionals, talented youth upcoming. So meerandaru kuda variki cheytunichi intamundu Manohar garu cheppinattuga how India is fast progressing ahead under the leadership of our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi garu. We all feel proud. India is supposed to be the 5th largest economic country in the world now. It is now heading towards becoming a 3rd largest economic country in the world. Now India has become a globe for manufacturing hub, not only manufacturing hub, digital, pharma, in almost all fields. And I feel I'll be failing in my duty as a parliament member and supposed to be the highest policy making body in the BJP as a member of it under the leadership of Narendra Modi, Prime Minister. How India is marching ahead. We have taken challenges as opportunity. We have seen Corona, how entire world has been suffering. But India, we have great scientists. They have made 2 indigenous vaccines, not only supplied free of cost, 3 doses to 140 crore people, and we also exported that vaccine more than 100 countries. Hats off to our scientists. So we have become a manufacturing hub globally, and we are supposed to be the 2nd largest mobile manufacturing in the world now. And under the PM Gati Shakti program, the infrastructure which we have, either railways, roadways or air connectivity. So I only appeal to all the Indian diaspora, more particularly Telugu diaspora, to come and invest in both these Telugu states and see that our young talented youth of these states also being given a big hand to these people who are well talented, and artificial intelligence, you have seen how it is forging ahead. So once again, I thank you, Subbu Motagaru, who is the guide, philosopher, mentor to this APTA Catalyst. I was the person who attended under the leadership of Chandu Srinivas in Washington, D.C., even Vijayawada when this APTA took place. I really feel fortunate enough to be part of this. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So Jakam